Hi, it's Jenny, your O Street Hy-Vee dietitian, back today with another recipe. And I guess this isn't so much a recipe, but a cooking technique called the blend. And I've been doing the blend for years because as a dietitian mommy, I'm always trying to maximize the health benefits of what my kids eat. And so sometimes that means sneaking in some vegetables that they don't know about. So the blend is when you just chop up some mushrooms. You can use a food processor, a blender, or just a cutting board and knife. And you make them to the consistency and smallness that you want. And then you just add them to ground meat, okay? So I have some of our lean ground beef that we sell at Hy-Vee, the 93% lean, but you could do ground chicken, ground turkey, okay? So I'm just gonna add the mushrooms to the beef, okay? And then you're just gonna brown it all together. So how easy is that, right? And I'm gonna actually use one of my favorite cooking tools called a meat chopper, and that just makes it so the ground beef is nice and small pieces. Okay, this is what it looks like. I just grabbed our Simply Done brand off the shelf to show you today. But again, one of my favorite cooking tools. Okay. So we're just gonna let this brown and then I'll come back and show you what that finished product looks like. This is what the finished product looks like when you do the chopped up mushrooms and the ground meat. The mushrooms turn the same color as the ground meat, so your kids are never gonna know that there's tons of health benefits in this. At home when we do this, we're called blenditarians, I guess is a new fancy word when you combine the mushrooms and the meat. So when we use this at home, we'll use it in taco meat, lasagna, hamburgers, spaghetti sauce, so just a lot of ways. If you're not into this at home, cooking it yourself, you can buy this right out of our freezer case. This is from Applegate. It's a new product out there where they've already combined the mushrooms in the ground beef for you, so you would just put this in the microwave or the oven. So 2 ways, great health benefits. So thank you.